Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the relative date time formatter in native iOS application. So basically the use of relative date time formatter is, suppose you want to display something like 12 years ago, so here you can see the output is something, or 3 days ago, 5 days ago. Those kind of outputs like require a lot of logic building from our part, but thankfully in iOS you can use something called relative date formatter, so you don't have to worry about it. So if it is suppose only 1 year ago, then you just have to write 1 year ago, but if it is 2 year ago, then you have to write 2 years ago. So you have to pluralize it according to that, but we don't have to worry about all that stuff. With the help of a relative date time formatter, it handles everything for us. So here you can see I have just, there is no UI as such, I'm just using UI kit. You can use Swift UI as well. I have created one date, okay, date object, and here is some, suppose some hard coded string I have, but in your case it can be any date. Then I'm just using this date formatter. I have assigned this date formatter, okay, so I'm using ddmmyy. Then I'm just converting this date string to a particular date. So this is our target date. Then I just use relative date time formatter. So then you can just use formatter dot localize string, okay, and pass your target date, so which is this, and this relative to the current date, okay, that means now. So this is the now, okay, and just print it out. Then Swift will take care of for that for us, and you will get an output something like this, okay. You can also move this outside if you want, so yeah, something like this. And if I quickly change the date, so today is 15th August. What if I change it to 13th August, let's say 2024. Let's see what's the output that we get. Okay, my Mac machine is little slow. Okay, so here you can see 2 days ago. Yeah, pretty good. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.